I'm Michael, and this is our hackathon idea. So we're going to be tackling the Honda challenge, and my partner's name is Gilles, but he can't be with us right now. So here's our mobility problem. How often do you walk into a new unexplored building and wonder where your classroom, office, or appointment is? Wouldn't it be nice if there was an app that showed you the quickest pass around the building, no matter how many twists and turns there are? So we introduced to you Dungeon Crawler, your Google Maps of indoor layouts. So here's the Hyena, which can be overwhelming for newcomers. But here's a solution to that. Our mobile app will function similarly to Google Street View, in which several nodes inside the building will have a 360-degree view. Waypoints and arrows will be shown overlaid on the image to guide the user to the next node, and a top-down 2D view will be provided, which rotates along with your phone's orientation. So here's a quick mock-up of our idea. So the big circly thing is the node, and the arrows are the edges. And here's another example at the Thompson Library. So how do you actually set up the nodes? So building managers can take panoramic images at target locations in the building, and then the app will use the phone's geolocation sensor and barometer to derive X, Y, and Z values to represent that spot as a 3D coordinate. The building manager can then connect two nodes together, and the app will figure out the distance between the nodes and use those to create weighted edges. And from here, we could use Dexter's algorithm to find the shortest path between two nodes. So next is entrances. How do we figure out where the starting point is? So building managers will take photos of each entrance to the building and then map them to the closest node. And that way, when the user gets in the building, they'll have a starting point. So users, they'll open the app and they'll tap on that picture of the entrance that they entered, and that's their starting point. And then they're gonna use the search bar to search in their destination. So like class 341, meeting hall 2, South office, and then the app will overlay waypoints for them on the images. Scalability. Will this app still be relevant 5 or 10 years in the future? Yes. Building managers can create, read, update, delete nodes for as long as the building is still standing. Virtual reality, augmented reality glasses, can use the same data set to provide a whole new way to experience our app. And as buildings expand, interior layouts are bound to become increasingly more confusing, which drives the need for our app. Demand. How useful for an app is this? Universities like OSU can use our app to ease anxiety among students and provide a more in-depth tour for prospective parents of potential future OSU students. Businesses can use our app to save time and resources by directing employees to the meeting room with the most time-efficient route. And individuals save time and energy by knowing the most efficient path in buildings right when they walk in. And lastly, we'd like to thank you guys. We're very thankful. We're very thankful for this event. Very thankful for all the companies that came out, and especially Honda for hosting this challenge. Although we didn't get a prototype done, this is an idea we definitely want to work on after the event. And we hope you look forward to our soon to come Dungeon Crawler.